Let me show you something cool, something you might probably want to start using like today. So have you ever had a situation where you wanted to calculate things like, and then you are not satisfied with addition, subtraction, and things like that? This tool that we developed, this tiny little tool, is called the Formula Evaluator, permits you to evaluate complex formula. Let's think about a situation where this contractor needs to evaluate his pricing by using this formula, which is something like the length, the width, the length times the width times the height, all that computed, then a current price added to it and then divided by 2. This is just like a random formula, and it could go as complex as the square root of things, the modulus of things, any formula you can think of, and that follows the rules of mathematics can be evaluated. And then what can you do? You can include custom values inside the formula. You can include custom field inside the formula. You can include numbers inside the formula, and you can include math expressions all together inside the formula. And then in this case, we're just going to display the value, the result of the value inside the note of the contact. Now, these things already have values in them, so I'm just going to run it. I'm going to take an example, just going to use my contact, and that should be good. Enrollment history, formula evaluator, and I'm just going to check the notes. All right, so if I check the notes right here, boom, this is the value. This is the result from the formula. You can see I've had other expressions that have given me values, even decimal numbers. This is the value of that. And then if you go to the formula, you do the same calculation, you're going to have the same value. You can evaluate anything. Are you thinking of percentages? Are you thinking of modulus? Are you thinking of square root? Are you thinking of square, cube root, or all the crazy things you can think of in maths? This Formula Evaluator can help you do that. I hope you enjoy it. Bye.